Okay, so right now I'm going to the point of wiring up an LED aluminum profile light or LED strip light. Okay, so I have this 250 watts 12 volts 250 watts AC/DC transformer here. Okay, so this is how it's wired. Let me check my AC input. Okay, so this is my AC input, alternating current. It's coming here. It's through here, so you can read it from here. The live and the neutral, and also it has a terminal there. Okay. Then you move to that. Here it's written COM. Okay, so those are neutral. So there's the DC side and there's the AC side. So I dare not touch it. But the DC side I can't touch it. It's just 12 volts. Okay. And so there's the positive side and there's the blue, and we are using the blue or red. In this case we are using blue for the negatives, or the minus, and we are using brown cable for positive. Okay, so this is the cable that we use. We use 0.75 millimeter square cable, 2 power flex. Okay, and this is how we do it. From the AC point, it comes here. The outputs also go through here, and then it comes to the LED strip.